Caden, I want to show you something that I discovered a few years ago. The truck looks awesome. I appreciate you cleaning it. I'm going to show you some of these water spots, how easy they are removing. And I'm going to show you the product that I use. It's super simple. But you see it's thousands of water spots. I got gloves on because the chemical I'm using is an acid. But this don't rub off. And obviously you just left a few minutes ago. So I'm going to just show you. We'll put a few clips together and kind of show you how it goes. All right, Caden, so basically we're going to use this rust stain remover from Winks. Now, a couple things you have to remember. I'm going to use one of these little scrub pads. Now, this needs to be dry, and we're going to saturate this with this right here. This is a hydrofluoric acid, so you got to wear gloves. It doesn't actually feel like it's burning you, but it pulls the calcium out your skin. And we're going to saturate this, and then we're going to rub this, and you're going to see how easy all these stains come off. Now, obviously, you would have to buff this out with a rubbing compound, but this acid is going to take it right off. Now, another thing, as you see, today is an overcast day. This is real important. This glass can't be hot to the touch because it'll flash dry on there, and then you have to then use a rubbing compound to get it off. So I'm going to put all this together here for you, and basically what I'm going to do, excuse me, this kind of fizzles like Coca-Cola, so it will go flat on you. And I'm going to saturate my little sponge here on both sides. And you want to put this cap back on. And you can get this from Amazon. Put that cap back on because it'll lose its fizz. Like, it'll go flat, basically. So basically what we want to do is rub this, and I'm going to show you how it goes. I'm going to cut away real quick so I can zoom in. All right, I'm back here. Obviously, you see the water spots. I'm going to use the kind of coarse side of this, but you can use the soft side, either one. I'm going to go with the coarse side. Now, you can do paint this as well. You just can't do headlights or plastic stuff. So I'm going to just rub this in, and sometimes it takes a few treatments. You can already see it's taking everything off. And it's very little pressure. Like, I'm going to do it with 2 fingers even. You know, that's all the pressure you need. You want to do this probably about twice and then clean the glass off with a glass cleaner to neutralize this acid. So I'm going to show you the finished product in a minute. All right, Caden, I'm back. I've rinsed this off with fresh water and Windex it, and now I just kind of come back and just rub any little streaks out. You can see how got a few streaks from the paper towel, but once this dries completely, it looks better than factory. You know, that's the sky you're looking back there in the back. Check that out. And look, this is that Wink stuff. You can get this from Amazon right there. And I think you can probably upsell customers on this because this is amazing results. Now, my vision's bad, I'll give you that, but I don't see any spots. But even if you had to retreat this twice or do it twice in a row, it only takes about 3 to 5 minutes per paint. And you can do the mirrors as well. I kind of did this one briefly. They come out really good. You can use it on paint as well. Chrome works magnificent on chrome. The only thing I wouldn't use it on this because I got that ceramic coating you put on it. But look at that. I mean, it's a perfect clean compared to what you've seen before. Let me know what you think.